guys, as you can see, we have everything kind of mocked up. We have our power for our camera, our screen, our signal, audio video for our screen. We're also going to do a secondary audio video. And everything is plugged in through our extensions, so we're just kind of mocking it up, making sure it's all going to be long enough. And that's where we're at so far. I'm waiting on some more of this flexible loom to wrap these wires in, and then this is our RCAs for going down and around. We're getting there. All of our power wire is done, hooked up, ran, and spiraled. This is our power and our signal to our RCAs. And there it goes. And it's also ready to go. Alright, so here is our installed overhead console. And we have all of the wires tucked up and ran. That's going to be for our light that comes in. It's a black light. And this is going to be hidden all by the headliner. But I have the RCAs for the screen and the power for the screen running down, all the way down and over. Over on this side, you can see we have our vacuum lines. Maybe not. Our vacuum lines are up there. And they run the length to the back, wrap around, and go down and over to here, and they all meet up here, and everything is easily accessible underneath this panel. And these work, they just don't say what they actually do, but I'll go ahead and demonstrate it for you, maybe. Works okay, not bad. So now we can go ahead and focus on getting our center seat found and installed. And honestly, the perfect size seat that I found was out of a Volkswagen Beetle, and that's where I'm gonna leave it off at.